How to block direct messages on Instagram. Hello friends, welcome to another Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you steps on how to block direct messages on Instagram, either to restrict or block direct message of a specific user or to block direct message generally on Instagram. Okay, so let's begin with blocking a specific user. The first thing to do is to go to the profile of the user you want to block. You can either search for the username using the search icon or go through your friend lists. As you can see on the screen, search for the username. Now, in the profile of the person you want to block, tap on the menu icon, which is the three dots at the top right corner. You are given several options. Tap on restrict, and this way you have blocked direct message from this specific user. Now, to block direct message generally, maybe you have been getting spam messages and you want to turn off direct messages completely. To do this, in your profile, tap on your profile icon, then tap on the three horizontal line at the top. In the setting and activity page, look for notification and tap on it. Then scroll down till you see messages and tap on it. Now you will see all the different options related to messages which is associated to blocking direct message. You can turn off these options, turn off message requests. It might take a while to load. You can also turn off group chats, turn off group requests, and turn off message reminder. Although you can't deactivate direct message on Instagram, but this process will help you completely disable direct messages. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to get more useful content like this. See you in the next video.